Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download HSBC statement. So there are two options. First is using HBSC mobile app. First, simply log in into your HBSC mobile app. Then go to your account and then simply look for an option labeled statement. And then if needed, tap on setting or the more to find the statement section. After this, simply choose the month or range of statements you need. So this application also allow you to search by specific date or recent transactions. And after this, simply click on download or email statement, and then you can save it as a PDF on your phone or share it to another app. So that's the first option. And the second option is using the HSBC online website. So simply just log in your HSBC online banking website using your username, password, and security code. This click on account and then simply look for section labeled document or statements. This option is usually found under the account overview or document tabs. After this, simply select the statement range or date and then simply click on download to save the statement as a PDF, and make sure you have downloaded the right format if you need to use for official purposes. So that's how you can download HSBC statement. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.